Hey fans, this is the headliner Chris Michaels, and you are watching Realistic Fishing, so I'd advise you to keep it realistic.
Alright, since going to the car and getting the worm, someone else has pulled up and is now fishing off the dock, so we're going to skip that. We'll go fish out here in front of the swing. Alright, since that guy's on the dock, we're going to go back this way. Let's go back to Cinder Block Point. Cinder Block Point. It's not looking good for stick fish. I was just gonna say it's not looking good for stick worm, and then I got a bite. Check him out. We got a 3/4 pounder here. 3/4 pound patties, lettuce, tomato, cheese, onion, pickles, mayo, Thousand Island, whatever you want on it. We got a 3/4 pound triple stack. Got him on the stick worm. Nice. Time to let it go.
This is Craig from Fishing with Lord Almighty, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
I was just about to say I wasn't going to catch one on it, but I did. Just got another one about that same size. Yeah, one cast later. It almost looks like the same fish, but I think this one's a little bit smaller. Little half-pound bass here. Let's let him go. Well, that's already 2 on the stick worm. I was just about to give up. Made one more cast, got another one. How crazy is that? It's getting dark now. Hopefully the brightness of this sky over here can help the camera pick up the video. All right, I'm gonna try one more thing. Gulp alive minnow. It's getting dark, but I want to try one off the edge of the dock. There we go, just like that. Still seeing a little bit of action out here, so let's do it. Oh, did I have a bite? Did I have a bite? I do now. All right, fish on. Oh, nice. Nice. Jumbo bluegill. Let's take a look at this monster bluegill. Awesome. Awesome. Can you see this light blue down here? Another 8-inch bluegill. Great fish.
Hi, I'm Ambrose from Louisiana. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
I still got my minnow. I'm gonna hook it on a little better if I can. Fish. Oh, as soon as it hit the water, I had a bite. Got him again. Another one. This one feels a little bit smaller. Yeah, just a little guy. Still gonna take a look. I'm glad he's on the show. 5-inch bluegill. Let's do it again. They're out here. Fish. All right. Oh, that one came off. That one felt like a pretty good one. Still got my bait? Sure do. Dang. Fast and furious. Got him. Doesn't feel like a giant. Spunky though. Yeah, about a 6-incher here. Yeah, 6-inch bluegill. He's got the twitches. There we go. Another one. This evening bluegill bite is awesome. Another 6-incher here. Maybe 7. Nice. I want to get that 10-incher. That's the first cast I didn't get a bite on. Might be slowing down now. Got him. Doesn't feel like a monster. That's all right though. I'm happy to be catching something. Nice. Yeah, another decent bluegill here.
The most controversial team to hit USWO Wrestling, it's Brian Turner of Booty Call, and you are watching Realistic Fishing. Bounce on over to Brian Turner's VHS Rehab for more of Booty Call.
Let's do one more. Here we go. Last fish. Whatever I catch, this is it. Got him. Last fish of the day right here, 5-inch bluegill. Just a little guy. All right, one more. I gotta do one more. I can't end on that little puny 5-inch bluegill. Bats are flying in front of me. I didn't get a bite that time. All right, last cast no matter what. Come on, let's get one. Got him. That feels like a good one. Stay on. Last fish right here. All right. This is the one we're going to end off on. Nice chubby 7.5-inch bluegill here. Yeah, good looking fish. That one looks like a female. Time to go. I got a few bass. I got a few bluegill. It was a much better trip than I expected. I caught the bass on a Texas rigged worm on the $30 combo, and then I switched to the gulp minnow and cleaned up a few more bluegill. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.